Hi, Brian here at Gengras Volvo North Haven. This week we're still talking about the XC40. Now behind me I have the Inscription model. It's a sharp looking car. It's got a beautiful bright work on the grille, wonderful looking 19-inch wheels, chrome along the windows. It's really great looking. We got contrasting interior, which is just lovely. And of course, this beautiful Orifice crystal gear lever lights up just a nice gentle glow at night. Now we were talking last week about the amazing amount of space they fit in this small car. Now these door pockets are massive. You can fit a whole 15-inch laptop in there if you wanted. But people are asking, well, why? Why can't we do that on the other cars? What do we do different here? Well, we've got a pretty unique, very awesome audio system. The subwoofer, woofers that would normally be in the doors, they're not there. They're hidden somewhere else. I'm going to show you. We open the hood here, and under the cowl we see this nice symbol, Air Woofer Technology. There's a subwoofer sitting in the cowl of this car, and it actually pumps bass behind the entire dashboard, so it sounds just the same as any other car, if not even crisper, honestly, because you're not getting all this rattling from the door panels and air blowing onto your leg. None of that exists. This thing sounds incredible. Now, and this is just the standard system. You can opt for the Harman Kardon system that adds another woofer in the back, and it sounds incredible. And speaking of the back, Volvo doesn't ask people in the back seat to go without. This thing's got a beautiful rear seat. Plenty of room. I'm about 6 foot. I still got plenty of space. Cup holders in the center. My own heated seats. There's the controls. My own USB-C outlets. 2 of them, so each rear passenger can have some. And of course, vents. Now you might be thinking, maybe I gave it up and I don't have much of a trunk. But that's not true. This thing's got a huge trunk. In fact, it's got so much trunk, we gave you some more down below, just in case, extra storage, which actually fits this cover for when we fold the seats down. Even with all that, I still get a spare tire, jack, tools, everything I need in case of emergency, right? And look at this. Easy, press of a button, swing it down. I've got a huge interior volume. I can fit whatever I need back there. This car does it for me. This is everything I need. All the space I need. I can put roof racks on this thing. I got these beautiful rails to mount to. This car, even though it's small, it's redefining just what a small car can do. Thanks for watching this video on the XC40.